Welcome, my friends. We decided to do a hi Florence, hi Tony, hi Narsetjan. Today I am impromptu here with my friend Daniela. I am in Florida and Daniela is in the coast, the shores of ciao, all these people coming on this morning. Buongiorno, buongiorno, buongiorno. So we are talking today with my friend Daniela Maloney, who is on the shores of Santa Caterina, which is on the west coast of Sardinia. This is one of the places we are going to visit for the 10-day women's retreat that she and I are co-hosting together for this upcoming trip in May. And so we're working really hard to promote the trip. We're doing so many wonderful things. And Daniela is with us today. She's going to show us one of the many coastal walks we will be taking during this really beautiful and transformative women's experience that we are planning for May. So, got the gatto qui. He's go outside. So many people joining. Hello. Daniela, welcome. Thanks for your time this morning.
Hi, Laurie.
Good morning.
I'm here. Hello, everyone. I am here in Santa Caterina Bay, one of my favorite place in Sardinia, where me and Laurie will welcome you during the Sardinian green trip we organized in May. Here is a beautiful bay, but now is winter, so you can see there are waves, clouds, a little bit of rain, but anyway, it is beautiful. There's a super energy in this place. And Laurie will organize for you a sketchbook diary here using the texture of the stones, of the rocks, and the wild environment around me. I'm going to ask Laurie to make another direct in a couple of days to show you how the bay become when the tempest go away, and she go back calm, and she became green emerald color.
Oh, wow. So I have a question for you, Daniela. Is on the Cima da Collina, the top of the hill, quello lì, is that un castello? C'è un castello?
Sì. No castle.
Okay.
Is a wait. You observed a lot. Here is a Spanish tower.
A
Spanish tower about 1,500 century. Is very fashion place. Next direct we could make a direct from there, and she's the guardian of the bay. It's a beautiful view and a beautiful energy place there too.
So it is possible to make a small trek to the Cima qui.
Yes, of course. It will be one of the trek I wish to propose to you, because after the tower we can go along the coast, the white coast, and arrive to the black coast. The black coast is from a volcano origin, and he has another fashion. There is a waterfall. There is another color in the sea, and they are all really beautiful place for our trip and for your inspiration and creation.
See, I am so excited to see these places, Daniela. I really appreciate your time. We just wanted to make a very quick post with Daniela on the coast. I know Kathy Lyatt just logged in. She's going to be one of the people that are attending on the trip with us. So I'm so glad that Kathy could see that. Um, Anything else you want to say particular about that beach?
Here is the nature that is the boss. So sometimes it is the beach is not there because there are stones. Have a look. Sometimes it's full of sandy, and the sand is particular because it becomes iron mineral, so it is yellow and black.
Okay.
Is a wonderful color. It's a wonderful contrast. You can find. Look, the sun is going. Look at the sky. Wow.
Wow. Can you turn just very slowly for us one time? Un giro.
Yes, of course.
Oh, perfetto. Ehi. E calmo così.
It's good.
Sì, calma, sì, certo, bellissimo. Ah, mamma mia. So, c'è un piccolo case lì?
Ah, yes, there are some little house in a side.
Okay.
A little river there, and there is now is closed, but there is a beautiful place that make a wonderful pizza on the beach.
Perfect.
Wonderful pizza with Sardinian ingredients and
See.
Sardinian beer.
Oh, perfect. Okay. Well, that will be one of our days, I think. Yes.
Okay.
During our trip, we will do one afternoon or maybe a couple days in quello posto, in that spot. Sì, certo. Okay. Anything else? Okay, finisci? Finisci qui? Okay, grazie. You guys, thank you so much for joining. It was a very quick post today. We're going to do another one of these maybe on Monday, but Daniela is taking us to the places that we are going to be spending time at during the 10-day Women's Creative Explorations Retreat. We're calling it Creative Explorations because we're not going to be exploring the areas of the west coast of Sardinia like Cabras, like Oristano, like the Sinis Peninsula, like this little bay here in Santa Caterina. We're going to be in a specific place on the west coast of Sardinia. And the beautiful thing about this retreat is that we have Daniela, who lives in the area and region. We're staying at Daniela's guest house, which is called La Molo House. And she is taking us on all of these private tours that if you were just to come and schedule your own trip to Sardinia, which is a beautiful thing I encourage you to do. But if you come with us, we are going to get the inside scoop. We're going to get to live like a local. We're going to get to visit these special local places that really only Daniela and a few others who live there know about. And the beauty of that is that we will not be inundated with other tourists, that we will have a nice, special, private time. And again, we're going to combine it with some sketchbook activities, gentle yoga and meditation activities, gentle trekking. So there's going to be a lot of rest and restore involved, but rest and restore in beautiful areas where we can enjoy quiet places. And all you have to do is show up. And Danielle and I are planning all of the events for us, and we'll be doing all the driving. Daniela, thank you so much. We'll see you next week. Thanks for everyone for joining in. We'll see you soon. Okay. Oh, and message me if you have any questions or if you want information. All the information for the trip is on my website, which is lauriemavesart.com. It's HTTPS, lauriemavesart.com. You can access that through my Substack page. Thanks, Kathy, for joining, and we'll see you soon. Ciao.